Today, I'm going to review the Logitech Universal Remote. Harmony Universal Remote Control 650. $94 in Canada, probably $70 in the States. Don't exactly know. I had this now for a while. And I have it programmed to my receiver. As you can see, it does work. Now, I have everything, my bell, my Panasonic TV, my DVD player, and my receiver. See? And it's back on. This remote, I do like it. The reason why, you can program a bunch of stuff. Activities. But that's all I have programmed in because that's all I need. But you can do a bunch of stuff. Sorry, the lighting sucks. Get a better look on that. It can record. It can mute your TV speakers. It can do a bunch of other stuff. And there's a USB right there. Come on, focus. That is for charging, but also for programming. See? And then you just click sync, whatever you want to add, and you get the model number, and it pretty much works. I like mine because I had literally four remotes. There they all are. There's the bell dish. The middle one is a TV. Another one on the end is the receiver for the surround sound. And it also controls my Panasonic DVD player. That remote is currently right there. So it does all of it. For the price, I do think it's totally worth it. Some people think it's a little much. But guys, if you're sick of a bunch of remotes like I was, go down to Best Buy, Walmart, Circuit City, wherever you go, and find this remote. There's a little bit cheaper one if you don't want a color display. It does the same thing, except for it's a little bit smaller display. My buddy bought it. I'm like, yeah, right. And he programmed everything within, literally 10 minutes. I had all this programmed within 10 minutes done. Takes a little time to get used to. Oh, maybe this isn't rechargeable. Maybe I lied. Sorry. Nope, it's not, because Great Value, if everyone knows what that is, that's Walmart Corporation's brand. Anything Great Value is Walmart's own product. So it's Walmart batteries. Okay, it's not rechargeable, but the little USB in the front, that's how you program it. And the cable for that is right here, which does come with it. And it comes with a CD and a manual and all that. And you plug it in and program it and install your CD. And you have to set up an account, as you can see right there. Without an account, it won't let you add anything. So my recommendation is go buy your universal remote. Thank you.